As we step into a fresh and promising year ahead, I want to extend my heartfelt wishes to all my friends and real estate clients. Your trust and friendship throughout the past year have been invaluable and truly appreciated. To my friends, your support and the great times we've shared mean the world to me. To my clients that have become friends, navigating the ever-changing real estate market with you has been an incredible journey. Thank you. This new year, I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Whether it's finding your dream home, securing that ideal investment property, or simply sharing advice and insights, I'm here to support your interests in the real estate world. Here's to a 2024 filled with prosperity, health, and fulfillment. May this year bring new opportunities and achievements and endless possibilities in every aspect of your lives. Let's embrace the new beginnings with optimism and work together towards a year of remarkable achievements. Cheers to a prosperous and wonderful new year ahead. Happy New Year!